videoing me. Thank you, Daddy. Basahin mo.
Thank you, Tatay, for the gift. Love you. Dude, this is so fakey.
Ha?
It's so fakey. It's not me.
Unboxing my Solera first designer bag with me. Maliit lang pala yung ay, potek. Pinis. Ano?
Oh, akala ko malaki-laki yung bag na binili mo.
This is 20 cm. Yung isa 24 cm lang.
Uy, maganda. Mukha na siyang totoong bag this time. Mukha na siyang totoong bag this time.
Bakit ka? Maikli pala yung kanya.
Nice lang. Nice lang, maganda.
Kasya na yung
iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid na 1 terabyte. Hindi kasha.
kasya.
1 terabyte yan kasi.
Okay ko kung 1 terabyte.
iPhone lang yung laman, ganun.
iPhone, car keys.
Wow,
Bakit? Pagka magkasama tayo, hindi mo na kami hawak ng car keys. And then, car keys.
Uy, maganda. Mukha siyang matibay, no?
And then, this is Grandu Hodre leather. Hindi ko kinuha yung lambskin kasi yung lambskin, pag ganito kaliit, 3,000 na. Tsaka yung lambskin, malambot.
Hindi kasha.
Hindi ko lang ni-snap kasi ayaw ko nagasgas yung iPhone, yung phone. And then this is where you put your cards, your coins and your notes, and then your phone. And if you're traveling, there,
Uy, maganda. May wallet sa loob.
yeah, there. And then you can put your cards here. And when you're traveling, you can put your passport here, hand sanitizer, but your cell phone, if it's 15 Pro Max, no problem. But if it's the bulky new one, that's where you're gonna have a pause. 20 cm na to. Tapos yung isa mas mahal. Pero yun ay ganitong cm lang. So, eto na lang kinuha ko kasi classy. See? Tapos hindi loud. Tapos, mayroon leather dito. Hindi siya whole chain para hindi masakit sa balikat. Diba? Nag-read ako ng mga reviews about it. 13 lang pala yun.
Ayan.
Ito pala yung
Relax ka lang.
15.
Bay, huwag mo ilagay.
Hindi, i-check ko. Oh, kasha, oh.
Kung walang housing.
Kung may housing, kasha din. Yung housing lang yan,
Housing nito,
Huwag
may.
mo naman i-post yan sa Facebook.
Babe, di ko pinapost sa Facebook naman.